In this video, we will learn how to make your course available or unavailable to your students. Before we go on to a demonstration, please let me clarify. Your Brightspace course sites are available to students by default as soon as they're created. Students will see the course sites the next day after they officially registered for courses. If it is your preference, you may make them inactive, which means unavailable to students, while you add content into your course. However, be sure to make your course active, which means available to students again, so your students can access course materials and syllabi. Your Brightspace course sites are usually available for you to begin adding course materials during early November for winter and spring semesters, and early April for fall and summer semesters. To make your course unavailable or available to students, you can go to your main page and navigate to your course in the My Courses list. Hover over your course, click on the three dots button, and click on Course Offering Information. You can also navigate to Course Offering Information page by starting in your course homepage. In your course homepage, click on Course Admin. Then you should be able to see the Course Offering Information button under Site Setup tab. Once we arrive at the Course Offering Information page, you can scroll down and either check or uncheck this Course is Active box. If this box is checked, that means this course is active and available to students. If this box is unchecked, then that means this course is inactive and unavailable to students. After you made any changes, remember to click Save to save any changes you made in this page. Please also note that when a course is inactive, on the Stony Brook Brightspace homepage, the instructor will see an inactive sticker on the course. The inactive sticker has a slight delay. It will appear a few minutes after you have made a course inactive and will stay for a few minutes after you make a course active. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Brightspace tips.